Hey guys, Chris Midwest Bass Hunter. Last year I came down here and made a video to show you guys the flooding in this area. So this river was big time flooded, and I'll show you in the video right now. I'm just gonna show you here quick. I'm on the Lynn Grove, or I'm at Lynn Grove on the Little Sioux River. I'm just gonna show you guys a little footage of kind of what this looks like. So we're above the dam right here. And usually this is just, I don't know, right here it's probably like 50-60 feet wide, this spot. And as you can see, it's way wider than that. You can see over there that light pole, and there's water quite a ways up it. I'm gonna walk over here and see if I can see. We're above the dam, and I'm gonna go down and look at the dam in a minute. I've probably fished here and been standing way further out there. So from here you can see where the dam is over there, where it's kind of rapids or whatever. And it's actually, normally it's a pretty big drop. It's like, I don't know, 10 or 8 or I don't know, somewhere between 8 and 12 feet drop from the top of the dam to the bottom. And it almost looks like the same level. So it's pretty crazy. And so obviously now the flooding has subsided quite a bit. We did have a lot of rain though this year, and we did have some flooding this year, but not near as bad as last year. So the river, you can see the river comes from over there, goes down here, and then goes over this dam. Well, wait a minute, the dam is dry. So the river actually rerouted itself. It no longer goes over the dam. It went down, made its own new path. And now it goes over there. You can see all the trees and stuff it pulled down. It's pretty crazy. So I don't know how long this dam has been here, but it's been here a long time. And it just flooded enough that it just went around it. It made a new channel. I'm gonna drive down to the dam and check that out, see what that looks like. So normally this has water coming over it. There's the dam. And it's not coming over it anymore. We're gonna walk across it and see what we see. Yeah, this is usually pretty fast water right here. So here we are at the dam, and right there where you see it riffle down there, that's where the dam actually is. And right there it normally falls like 10 feet from the top of the dam to the bottom, and you can't even tell the difference basically. I mean, it just barely is dipping down a little bit, and then it's just rolling like crazy. There's a turtle down there. This is like no current at all here. Just a big pool. Pretty crazy to see this. So we're gonna go see if we can find, see if I can find where the river comes back in. Wow. This is all just destruction here. Let's see if I can find a place to walk across here. So there used to be like a park over here. There was like a playground and like a bathroom building. And now there's like nothing. Here's a water line for an old hydrant. It used to be in here so you could get some water. All this rock was just washed up here. This was never here. It's pretty amazing. Some big rocks. There's the bridge that you used to get into the park. Here's the new river channel. Trees were just taken out by this. This is insane. All right, I think I'm gonna go back this way because this bank looks steep. All this is all just torn down by this river. So it looks like here's where the river comes back in. Holy cow. Just thrashed everything. Yeah, that's where the river comes back in. Looks like somebody's down here catfishing. Got a little rod holder right there. And all their garbage they left behind. Don't leave your garbage behind. There's the new river channel. Wow, what a mess. Just destroyed a lot of stuff. And when this was at its max flooding, I mean, it was right up under that bridge. So it was really, really, really high water. This is a wide river. And this year we've just had more of the same, more flooding, more rain. Well, here it is from the other side of the bridge. I can't really go over. I got everything all blocked off, so can't really show it to you, but it's pretty crazy. Well, it's not my normal fishing video, but just kind of shows you the power of water. Oh, there's a fish down there. What is that? I think it's a carp. Yeah, big old carp. Yeah, not too big. Just shows you the power of water. Man, when stuff's flooding, just got to be careful and stay out of the way. I don't know, hopefully it doesn't look like there's anybody's property back here, or homes or houses or anything. I know it destroyed a lot of the park. I mean, it's gone. It's not there anymore, so that's a bummer, but hopefully nobody lost too much out of this deal. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell. We'll see you next time.